Should you text or call? Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. And I want to chat with you a little bit this morning about texting versus calling. So many of the younger generation prefer text message versus calling. And I hear all the time with agents that come talk to me and say, hey, I get such a better response rate, a better conversion, I have more conversations if they text. And while that may be true, looking at our numbers, you actually have a higher chance of conversion, not from to a lead to a conversation, but to a full closing with a phone call or an in-person meeting. Guys, pick up the phone and dial. Pick up the phone and call. Think about this for a second. How often have you misunderstood a text message? It happens all the time. And what's our job as a sales professional? Our job is to understand the client and the client's needs. How can we understand their tone through text message? You know, it's impossible. We're gonna project what we think their tone is, and that's where we're gonna take it away. I'm gonna give you an example. Let's take this sentence. I did not say Riley took that, okay? Now, I'm gonna read it 6 or 7 different ways, and you tell me how they sound different. I did not say Riley took that. 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 Do you see how that same sentence can be taken about 1,000,000 different ways? Guys, that's why we have to call and talk to folks face to face, belly to belly, on the phone, and get away from these text message conversations and email conversations for important discussions. In summary, pick up the phone and dial. Guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. Thanks for watching. I hope you're happy where you are, but if you're not, let's connect. Reach out to me at Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com. Again, that's Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com. Ooh, P.S. Pick up the phone and dial.